Hello, I'm Steve. This is a bit of Munch, and I've got a vegetarian curry today. Sainsbury's meal for one, limited edition, Paneer Tikka Masala. I've only ever had, with Cumin rice by the way, I've only ever had paneer once in my life. And I was very, very drunk. My son and I went out a few years ago. I can't remember if it was my birthday or his birthday, but we went out, had a lot to drink, and then went for an Indian. And I think we ordered everything off the menu. And one of the things we ordered was sag paneer. I'd never had it before. He'd had it before. He's vegetarian, so he's had a lot more vegetable dishes than me. And I remember I tried it and I really liked it, but I can't remember what it tasted like. So, yeah, Sainsbury's Paneer Tikka Masala. Now, the full price of this is $3.25, but if you've got a Nectar card, which I have, then it's $2.25. I don't know how long it's going to be around, but it is limited edition. And here it is, in all its vegetarian cheesy glory. And as you can see, we've also got a naan bread. I found that lurking in the depths of my freezer. I've got no idea what make it is, how long it's been there, anything about it really. It's just a naan bread. So, this isn't the healthiest of meals. It's vegetarian, but if you look at the traffic light system, you've got, can you see, yeah, you've got 3 reds and a green. And the green is sugars. So, yeah, it's high in fat, high in saturates and high in salt. Got a 2 chili rating for heat. And it says char-grilled marinated paneer cheese in a spiced cream, tomato and cashew nut sauce, served with basmati rice cooked with onion and cumin seeds. And the amount of cheese in this is only, the paneer cheese is only 11%. So let's see what it's like. But first of all, I'm going to see what the rice is like. Added water, no I didn't add water, yes I did. What am I talking about? I added water halfway through. Can't remember much it said, but I just held it under the tap and put some water in. So it shouldn't be dry. It's definitely not dry. You can taste the cumin, but not overpoweringly so. It says it's got onion in it as well, this rice. Well, I can't taste any onion. Just about taste the cumin. Might add some actually. Hang on. There we go. Ground cumin. I'll try the curry itself first, but then I'll probably add some cumin to the rice. I love cumin, absolutely blooming love it. Let's try just one more little bit more of that rice. The rice has got a lovely texture. As I said, it's definitely not dry. It really isn't. But it could taste more of cumin for my liking. Okay, let's try this sauce before we go in for the cheese. Oh, that's lovely. That is absolutely lovely. That is one of the best tikka masala sauces I've ever tried. It's not a 2 chili rating, it's a 1, if that. But it's really tasty. You've got lots of different levels of spice going on. It's really, really nice. Right, I've got a little bit of cheese on that bit. I'm going to get a bigger bit of cheese in a minute. Oh yes. Oh, could do with more of the sauce really. Right, let's cut a bit of this cheese in half. I could do with you. Where's my fork gone? There it is. There's my fork. Right. There's the paneer cheese. Very mild cheese. Very mild. Not a lot of taste, to be honest. But in that sauce, with this rice, I said the cheese on its own hasn't got a lot of taste, but with the sauce and the rice, it's a really, really nice experience. Lovely. Could do with more heat for my liking, and the cheese could do with more taste for my liking. So one more bit, then I'm going to add some cumin to this rice. Right, don't want to add too much. He said, adding quite a lot. Okay, that'll do. Let's try that now. Now it's been, I was going to say cumined up, but that sounds a bit wrong, doesn't it? You can probably gather I quite like that. Right. With everything. So, yeah, Paneer Tikka Masala. I'd have that again. I really would. I really would like it to be hotter though. I mean, the cumin you can add, I suppose I could add some, I don't know, some chilli powder or some, even some Tabasco to it. I've got that in the cupboard. But I don't know if I will or not. I'm not sure. But yeah, definitely recommend it. Definitely have it again. I'm sure someone recommended this to me in one of my previous videos. I can't remember which video or who it was. So if it was you, thank you very much. You're right, it is good. Right, I'll go and have the rest of that. Don't think I need any more cumin on there. Needs a bit more sauce as well though. It really does. Normally you say when you get a microwave curry, you get too much sauce, don't you? This needs more sauce. Really does. But it's good. It's a good product. I like it. I recommend it. Right, let me know if you've tried that. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video tomorrow at the usual time of 2 PM. And goodbye from Santa as well. See you in the next one.